Deep in the mountains of southern Jordan, a narrow sandstone canyon suddenly opens up to reveal a massive rock-cut monument. This is the Treasury, standing 130 feet tall. It is the centerpiece of Petra, a site visited by nearly 1 million people every year. Despite this global fame, the construction date and original purpose of the structure remain unconfirmed. The Nabataeans transitioned from nomadic desert herders to masters of the global incense trade, but they left behind virtually no written history of their own. Historians are left with a ghost empire, attempting to decipher a complex civilization solely through its carved sandstone architecture. We can study their subtractive architecture, how they carved monuments directly into the cliffside, and their advanced water systems. But the biological history of the people is missing. Over 2 millennia, almost every known tomb in Petra was looted, emptied, or repurposed. Archaeologists possess the physical city, yet they lack the biological record of its creators. This historical vacuum turned a routine 2024 flood assessment survey into a significant archaeological event. In 2003, archaeologists discovered early tombs hidden on the east side of the Treasury Plaza. This find suggested a symmetry hypothesis. If tombs were designed for the left side of the structure, corresponding chambers might exist on the right. In 2024, researchers used ground-penetrating radar to scan the plaza floor without disturbing the site. As this diagram shows, GPR pulses electromagnetic waves through solid ground. When these waves encounter a hollow void, they return to the surface with a specific data signature. The radar identified a previously unknown anomaly directly beneath the plaza, where millions of tourists walk. This non-destructive scan pinpointed a location to break ground, converting architectural theory into a targeted excavation. Excavators broke into a 100-square-meter underground chamber that had been sealed for 2,000 years. The floor plan shows this lower complex situated directly beneath the Treasury's entrance. Inside the chamber were 12 completely intact, fully articulated human skeletons. These individuals were positioned in a ritual arrangement, untouched by time or grave robbers. The artifacts found alongside the remains included a 1st century BC ceramic gem that mirrored the fictional Holy Grail from Indiana Jones, a film that used this exact facade as its backdrop. By avoiding centuries of looters, this hidden chamber provides a pristine biological record of Nabataean life. Researchers are currently using optically stimulated luminescence to date the sediment within the tomb. These results could definitively link the Treasury to the reign of King Aretas IV in the 1st century CE. Beyond the timeline, scientists are extracting ancient DNA and testing strontium isotopes from the remains of all 12 individuals. Strontium isotopes from the local soil and water are absorbed into the human skeleton through diet. By extracting these chemical signatures, as shown in this mapping process, scientists can trace the geographical origins and migration of the Nabataean elite. These forensic tests provide data on who these people were, what they ate, and where they originated. With an estimated 80% of Petra still unexcavated, the most significant historical data remains hidden underground. And now, modern science is finally reading the human record that has remained hidden within these stone walls.